Hello everyone, we are here at by Grace in Lilongwe, Malawi. Now I want to show you our machinery. Yeah, this is a panel saw machine and we use this to cut boards. This machine we have used for this almost 2 years now, but we have no problem for this one. It works properly all the times. And we have another machinist who used this machine for a long time. Yes, Mr. Jawanda.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, now we want to hear from you about this machine.
This machine is quite alright, and we have been using this machine for 2 years without any problem. As you can see, they are very perfect indeed. Well working, well done. And another one.
Can you switch on? Can you switch into this machine and you can see how does it work?
As you can see, everything is okay.
Okay, let's go to another machine because I can see here we have edge banding machine.
Here it is. This is edging machine.
Yeah.
And they're working quite alright without any problem. As you can see, it works quite alright without any problem.
Okay.
Using this machine, at least same like, as you can see, everything is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have another workshop somewhere there.
In this machine, can you show us how does it work when you use this one? Or
So we can show you unless we have got a board.
And I see another machine. This is also panel saw.
Yes, this is another panel saw.
That means you have 2 panel saws machine.
Yes, one edging machine.
This one and this one.
Yes.
Oh, as I can see, is from Blue Elephant. And even this saw is from Blue Elephant. And even edge banding machine is from Blue Elephant. When we go in here, you can see the Blue Elephant. Yeah, this is CNC machine. Now I want to show you how does it work here by Glass. This one is CNC machine at by Grace Kitchens and Accessories. We have used this machine for 2 years now and it works also perfect. There's no mistake, no damage. Yeah. This one is working machine by Grace Kitchens and Accessories Company here in Malawi. And as you can see, we do pressing the doors.